Hello, loves. I am Athena Bahri, Reiki Master and author of award-winning book Raise Your Vibes, and my new Oracle deck, Raise Your Vibes Crystal Cards, and creator of crystalreikihealer.com. For this week's show, I really felt called to the energy of Green Aventurine. This beautiful crystal is considered the crystal of luck. And happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. This one is definitely going to be our lucky stone for today. Green Aventurine activates our heart chakra, and it activates with the frequency of optimism, abundance, and renewal. It brings in prosperity, stimulates cell repair and regrowth, vitality, and heart-centered healing. It allows us to let go of attachments that are serving as roadblocks to what is divinely meant for us, right? So that your path becomes a little easier and your goals reached a little sooner. Green Aventurine is number 28 in my new Oracle deck, Raise Your Vibes Crystal Cards. And drawing this card is a sign of upcoming luck and fortune. So just remember to let go of any attachments with the faith that what is meant for you will be yours. Ways you can use this crystal: it can be worn as jewelry, placed in abundance and prosperity grids for financial gain and prosperity, kept in the kitchen, which is our wealth center of the home. It's also great in our crystal elixirs. Just pop one in your water bottle, or as I like to do, I'll place one in my tea or coffee in the morning. That's a great way to enjoy this energy as well. I also use this crystal in my crystal grids for Reiki clients to help support financial gain, easing worries about money, and for a nice boost of energy and vitality. You can also place one under your pillow. We spend so much time there, so aligning with the energy becomes super easy when we're sleeping. And of course, you can hold one in your hands or next to you, or even the card, because that's infused with Reiki and the crystal energy of Green Aventurine, during your meditations. You can also connect with this crystal and its energy with an ASMR crystal Reiki session free on my own YouTube channel, Crystal Reiki Healer. And of course, I love to leave you with a wonderful affirmation to help you connect with your crystal's energy. And for Green Aventurine, it is: I have all the energy and money I need to thrive on my journey in life. And that wraps up our crystal segment for the week for Green Aventurine. Thank you so much for watching. If this has brought value to your world, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss the next one. And pinch me. I'm a little bit Irish. Happy St. Patrick's Day, loves. Many blessings.